Hello everyone, I am Bhushan Pathak from Seshayu Option Scalpers, and today I am going to show you our necklace pattern. We have studied and derived this necklace pattern, and I'll show you how this necklace pattern is made and which gives you minimum 2 to 3x return. I repeat, yes, don't be surprised. It gives you minimum 2 to 3x, that is 2 to 3 times return from your investment. Okay, so let's start understanding this. I have taken an example. Now many of you will have a doubt, why this stock only? Because this is one of the stock which gives us recent and latest example. There are other stocks also, but which are either incomplete or they have already completed the necklace pattern. This is the fresh stock which has completed our necklace pattern just today. Yes, on 4th of May 2023 as we speak, it has given a very solid close above its previous high, and that's how it forms its necklace pattern. Now let me show you how. Any stock which has made a lifetime high and then it falls and reclaims its past glory, that is again reclaims its lifetime high within few months or years, I call it a necklace pattern. You will also see this is nothing but a rounded bottom pattern. But a rounded bottom pattern does not have its target. It only gives you a hint about reversal. But in our necklace pattern, which is our favorite and special pattern which we have invented, it gives you exact target from its low to its lifetime high. Now, if you see this, this is a stock which is Sangvi Motors. Yes, I'll show you this. This is Sangvi Motors, which is NSE stock. I'm keeping this on for all of you. As you can see on the screen, the lifetime high for this stock from 2015 was somewhere 407. We'll ignore decimals. We'll only consider on rounded figures. So 407, 408 you may call it, and this was its lifetime high, and stock then kept falling. Okay, you don't have to trade in falling stock. If you are F&O lover, you can keep trading in puts or short future. If you are F&O lover, in F&O stocks, not on every stock. But for this stock, we observe this, and whenever it reaches near its lifetime low, this was somewhere a lifetime low level around 38 40 level, and if you see this, this is the level. Lifetime low level was somewhere around 40 38 level, and it has exactly reached that level. So I'll draw a line for you. If you see this, this has taken a zone. I would call it a zone. We don't need to count exact number. It just reaches that zone, touches and goes back, right? So once it touches its previous low zone, we start monitoring individually for that stock. And if you see this, look at this, 2015 to new low at 2020. So 5 years this stock was falling. Fundamentally the company is good, the stock is good, okay, but still stock is falling, the chart is not good. So we have either a fundamental analysis or a technical analysis. So I'm a person who loves to use a fusion or a combination of both, which is a techno funda analysis. So I call it a techno funda analysis, which is a very good way of analyzing any stock. So it gives you advantages of both technical analysis and fundamental analysis. So I know my fundamentals are good for this company, and the technically the stock was weak till 2015. But if you see, after 2015 there is no fresh lower low created. Okay, so it's only higher highs, and I'm on a higher time frame. So let's monitor this only on higher time frame. On a monthly time frame, this was a range, and after this range there was this panic selling, and then stock has never turned back. It has always had higher highs and higher lows. So once it reaches out of this zone, which is around say 142 level, From 42 to 142, 100 rupees you can give it off. But if you entered here, if you have entered here in April 2001 at around say 144, the high was 144, but let's assume a close 125, 120, 130. So 130 level as an average looks good to enter, and after 130 in April 2001, that is last year April, in May 2023, this is what 2021. In 2 years, the stock has completed its upward journey. So 130, even if you would have entered at 140, 150, you have tripled your, almost you have got 3x return on your investment, right, in less than 2 years. But this is also a good level to enter. This is a consolidation level. And if you see, there is a rounded bottom pattern here. And once that rounded bottom has been formed, it gives us a confirmation that stock is now ready for reversal. Stock is going on now. It has started its upward journey, and less this is the time which he has taken to create a low, 5 years. But if you see this, in less than 2 years, it completes its reverse journey. From low to high, it completes. It always takes a lesser time from low to high to reach back. Okay, and it has reached its lifetime glory. Again, it has, I call it reclaiming the lifetime glory. So this was the level which was somewhere around, I would say 407. Yeah, 407, 408 was the level. And look at this. It has handsomely taken over its previous glory, and today it has given us, this month we had already, the month is in the early phase of May, first week of May, and it has given us a very good close of 419, giving us a confidence that this stock is not going to wait here, it's not going to stop here, it will reach its further highs, because now, as I said, technically the stock was weaker till here. Fundamentally the company was good since all these years. But now company might have started recovering its debts, or maybe repaying its debts, restructuring. Management must have taken some good steps, serious steps about revamping the organization. And everything is visible in chart as well. If you see this, stock has reached its lifetime glory. It has a new lifetime high today. So in less than 2 years, it has created new lifetime high, which is 419. So this is our own research. How can you identify these stocks at this level only, and then track it or keep it minimum 2 to 3x return for next to 2 years? Okay. And if you see this, these levels, if you monitor these levels, it gives you good re-entry in these stocks. If you would have missed this entry, it will give you a very good re-entry here, and you can ride this trend right away till its lifetime high, and don't leave it. Now let me tell you one more thing. If this stocks on a daily time frame or on a weekly time frame consolidates here, which is clearly evident, it will not go up vertically. In my opinion, any stock which has a parabolic rise will be reciprocated with parabolic fall. So if this stock has to go up, this has to consolidate here, and this has to go in a fashion like this. See, it has new higher highs, higher lows, getting consolidated, and then gives you a new high. So this is a very good way. Every stock is getting balanced at every level. This is a method called base on base. So we call it base on base. See, this has reached a new low, new high, then created a base, got rejected, created a base, profit booking, got rejection, created a base, a long base, and then new high. Again, a consolidation or a base creation, and then new high. So this cycle is getting repeated in this stock, and this stock is such a obedient guy. It is not going in a linear fashion. It is creating its base on every rise, and that is a very good opportunity for people like us to enter a stock like this and ride the entire trend which is getting unfolded later. Right? So this was our necklace pattern analysis. So this is how we identify stocks, and let me show you, we have many such stocks which have necklace pattern. So I have got a separate watch list for necklace pattern. So I'll show you that. So we keep this with our people. So necklace pattern, we have all these stocks which may form a necklace pattern or which are either in process of forming a necklace pattern. So we keep understanding, identifying their behavior and then further analyze these stocks. Okay. I hope you found this knowledge nugget useful. Let me know if you have any queries. We'll be happy to help. Thank you so much for watching us.